There is no denying the world's love affair with the automobile. For nearly 100 years, the car has provided unparalleled convenience, freedom, and even identity. Not only do we depend on our car for transportation, the automobile has become an extension of who we are and a huge part of modern popular culture. For most of us, it's impossible to imagine everyday life without our car. Unfortunately, all this convenience, satisfaction and indulgence have come at a cost. We pay at the pump. We pay for the required maintenance and repair, and regrettably, we pay with the slow, insidious polluting and toxification of our Earth's fragile environment. What if there existed a simple yet inexpensive solution to this worldwide problem? What if you could increase your car's mileage and power while drastically reducing unwanted emissions and pollutants? And what if you could share this remarkable product with others? Not only empowering you with the ability to significantly improve your car's efficiency, but simultaneously providing you the opportunity to enjoy your own successful business opportunity. Now, you can. NEWAYS is proud to introduce Royal Platinum. NEWAYS' remarkable Royal Platinum automotive line is a proprietary blend of products that takes advantage of NEWAYS' powerful Run Clean technology to lubricate and clean the fuel and oiling systems of your car's engine. The result? Dramatically decreased emissions while increasing power and fuel economy. It's a fact, fuel is expensive. Today's inflated gasoline prices reflect the world's dependence on petroleum-based products. The world runs on oil, and transportation accounts for about 40% of the world's energy use. Finding new ways to reduce our usage of petroleum-based products means a greener, healthier world for all of us. Continually searching for a solution to this problem, not only for today, but for the future as well, NEWAYS may have discovered it, ironically, in the past. After the First World War, Germany faced an extreme shortage of oil. This problem led German scientists to create a method to convert biomass into fuel, called the Fischer-Tropsch process, and circumvent Germany's dependence on oil.
One of the facets that makes Royal Platinum unique is our incorporation of the Fischer-Tropsch process. This chemical reaction enables us to convert biomass into liquid hydrocarbons, thus creating a synthetic petroleum substitute. Because we use the Fischer-Tropsch process in the manufacture of our products, unlike some other additives, our products are not based on petroleum. In fact, if you use Royal Platinum, you will reduce the overall usage of petroleum and reduce the environmental burden of automotive transportation in general.
Today, NEWAYS is taking advantage of this 80-year-old technology to bring you these groundbreaking German-engineered formulas with the Royal Platinum line of automotive products.
Royal Platinum will increase your fuel economy, will reduce your emissions, and you'll love how easy and simple they are to use.
Royal Platinum is a complete line of 4 exclusive automotive products created with NEWAYS' proprietary Run Clean technology. Royal Platinum Engine Flush, Metal Conditioner, Fuel Line Cleaner, and a special diesel system cleaner are all formulated to protect and care for your vehicles, extending their life while reducing unwanted hydrocarbon emissions and pollutants that can harm our environment. In fact, unlike most other fuel additives, Royal Platinum products are not oil-based and actually help reduce the need for petroleum products. The decrease in fuel consumption you'll see with Royal Platinum means your household consumes less of the world's rare oil resources. In addition, Royal Platinum's Run Clean technology provides a reduction in exhaust and fuel emissions, greatly reducing the pollution from your family's vehicles. At the same time, NEWAYS Royal Platinum products safeguard your vehicle and its performance. They protect and clean engine parts by removing and preventing harmful deposits and reducing friction. Royal Platinum also provides an increase in compression, restoring lost power and performance that comes from wear and build-up.
NEWAYS has developed a product line that has been proven to be effective. Utilizing Run Clean technology, Royal Platinum will reduce harmful exhaust emissions and improve fuel economy.
NEWAYS Royal Platinum products have been tested and verified by the third-party agency TÜV, or Technischer Überwachungsverein, a German organisation that works to validate the safety of products to protect humans and the environment against hazards. Royal Platinum is a simple and stress-free way to care for the health of your car, while taking action to significantly reduce the pollution and the environmental impact associated with any automotive vehicle. While oil filters remove most of the sludge, tar and varnish inside your car's engine, small particles continue to circulate and accumulate within the motor's passageways, oil pump and oil pan. These contaminants cause engine wear, higher operating temperatures and reduced lubrication. Regular oil changes are the best way to remove that contamination. However, regular oil changes may not remove all the contamination because not all the old oil is removed. NEWAYS Royal Platinum Engine Flush is a proprietary blend of synthetic chemicals that uses Run Clean technology to dissolve residues in oil passageways and holds the contamination in solution to be drained away, helping to restore the engine performance. The benefits of NEWAYS Royal Platinum Engine Flush are remarkable. Reduction in hydrocarbons, reduction in carbon monoxide, utilizes Run Clean technology, dissolves gum, varnish and artificial residues, increases lubrication and is alcohol-free. And NEWAYS Royal Platinum Engine Flush is surprisingly easy to use. Simply add to engine oil, run engine at idle for 10 to 15 minutes, drain as normal, replace oil drain plug and fill with new oil. Simple and effective. Fuel injection systems work great, that is until the injectors get fouled with deposits over time from normal use. This fouling disrupts the fuel spray patterns that rob your vehicles of their power and economy. By using NEWAYS Royal Platinum Fuel Line Cleaner for gasoline or diesel engines, you can help keep injectors clean year-round, maximizing your fuel system's ability to operate at optimum efficiency. NEWAYS Royal Platinum Fuel and Diesel System Cleaner is a proprietary blend of synthetic chemicals that use Run Clean technology to remove water and dissolve gum, varnish and artificial residues from the entire fuel systems, helping to restore your car's engine performance. Royal Platinum Fuel Line Cleaners for both gasoline and diesel clean unwanted varnish and gum that naturally occur in all fuel systems. These unwanted gums and varnishes are sticky and can cause injector needle valves to stick either open or closed. Open needle valves cause fuel to constantly drip into combustion chambers. This results in wasted fuel and increased exhaust emissions. This will also cause an excess buildup of contamination on intake and exhaust valves. A buildup of carbon on combustion and oil control rings is also possible. Excess fuel will pass by the piston rings and into the oiling system. Oil that has been mixed with fuel reduces the lubricity of engine oil, resulting in increased wear and poor performance. Royal Platinum Fuel Line Cleaners dissolve that buildup of contamination at the molecular level and burn it during the combustion process without harming your car's catalytic converter. Royal Platinum Fuel Line Cleaners not only remove gum and varnish, but they bind water. Water can be introduced into the fuel system inadvertently through many different possibilities: humidity, rain, faulty ventilation systems, and bad fuel. The introduction of alternative fuels has presented some new challenges as well. Many of the new fuels have a very high content of alcohol. As we all know, alcohol attracts water. The water in fuel tanks gathers at the lowest point in the fuel system, which is also where the fuel pump pickup is located. When the fuel pump is turned, the water in the tank is pumped through the system, which results in hard starts, pinging, and corrosion in the fuel system. Royal Platinum Fuel Line Cleaners bind water in a stable combustible emulsion, which is completely consumed during the combustion process without harming either the intake or exhaust systems. With NEWAYS Royal Platinum Gas or Diesel Line Cleaner, your car's engine will experience a reduction in hydrocarbons, reduction in carbon monoxide, reduction in K-value emissions. Royal Platinum Gas or Diesel Line Cleaner helps dissolve gum, varnish, and artificial residues. It dissolves carbon deposits on valves and compression rings, removes moisture from fuel, increases lubrication, and as always is alcohol-free. Make the most of your automobile's performance with NEWAYS Royal Platinum Fuel Line Cleaners. Friction is an enemy to your car's engine. High-quality motor oil can only do so much to eliminate the energy-robbing friction that takes place when internal metal engine components are forced together at incredible forces. Royal Platinum Metal Conditioner helps to protect your vehicle from friction by conditioning the metal, not the oil. It absorbs into the metal surfaces inside your engine, creating a smooth surface that helps to reduce friction. The result is a more efficient running and longer lasting engine. Anytime you can decrease friction, you will see an increase in efficiency and an increase in power. This laboratory test, called a Phalanx test, demonstrates the lubricity of oil. The first part of this test shows how regular engine oil reacts to extreme pressure. The second part reveals how Royal Platinum enhances the lubricity of engine oil. You can see that even with the oil bath removed, the bearing continues to operate properly. Royal Platinum Metal Conditioner decreases friction and contains no suspended solids, no graphite or molding. And of course, Royal Platinum Metal Conditioner is simple and convenient to use. With NEWAYS Royal Platinum line of automotive products, the benefits to your car are obvious. Reduced emissions and pollutants, increased gasoline mileage and performance. But because the Royal Platinum automotive line is from the NEWAYS family of products, they offer you much more than remarkable improvements to your car's performance. Royal Platinum provides you the unprecedented opportunity to build a proven, successful business and create a rewarding lifestyle. Your friends, family and neighbours will all want to enjoy the fantastic benefits of the Royal Platinum line in their car. In today's changing world, it's easy to talk about reducing emissions and increasing performance and fuel economy. When you share the NEWAYS Royal Platinum line of products, you not only help protect the environment, you enhance the lives of your friends as well as your own. NEWAYS Royal Platinum. For everyday occasions or extreme conditions, helps create a better tomorrow for everyone.